Hello, I'm Anvisha. Warm welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today's video is all about the foot crack cream. Yeah, from the title of the video only you know that today I will be reviewing this foot crack cream from Khadi Natural. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the review, and there are many things that I'm going to tell you. So firstly, talking about this cream, this is from my Khadi haul purchase. If you haven't watched that video yet, that Khadi haul video, then please go and watch that video. I'm linking it over here. Just click on this link and you will be redirected to that video. And if you have already watched that video, then please carry on in this video. So first and the foremost thing, starting with this cream, this is from Khadi Natural Herbal Foot Crack Cream, Khadi Jasmine and Green Tea. Okay. So this is from Khadi Natural. As we all know, Khadi is an Indian brand. This product is dermatologically tested, clinically proven, GMP certified, and also cruelty free. The price is rupees 270 for 100 gram of product. I think a small tub was also there, maybe that was of 50 gram, but I bought this one. And however, this is a transparent tub. You can see this is basically a transparent, normal plastic transparent tub, which is not at all good in quality. Because let me show you. Let me open this product. You can see this leakage kind of thing. This makes the tub so much dirty that it's a nothing for me. And over here, let me show you, this is even broken. Okay, it's not like I have been using this for so long. I have never taken this for a travel tour or something like that, so from my home only it got broken. So talking about the next thing, that is the shelf life of this product is 3 years. Okay, now coming into the ingredients, let's read out the ingredient list. These do state all their ingredients, not only the key ingredients but all their ingredients, which is really a nice part. So just let's read out the ingredients. The first is purified water, sunflower oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, aloe vera extract, beeswax, comfrey extract, olive oil, wheat germ oil, almond oil, licorice extract, jojoba oil, mogra flower extract, green tea extract, grapeseed oil, catseed oil, jasmine oil, myristica oil, and the base is cues. Okay, so these were all the full ingredient list, which is really a great part. I really like brands like this much transparency. I really like from every brand. So talking about the basic, like the important ingredients of this foot crack cream, whatever it is, that is jasmine and green tea. Jasmine, this to have jasmine, and this to have a very strong fragrance of jasmine. Like after opening this tub only, it is really a very strong fragrance of jasmine. So if you are a person with allergy in fragrance, then I think this is gonna be a very bad product for you. And even for people, those who do not like jasmine, like me too, I am not a jasmine lover, but there are people who are die-hard fan of jasmine, but I really do not like the fragrance of jasmine. So for me also, this is very much shrinkling. Like I really do not like the smell of this, like the fragrance of this product. And talking about the next ingredient, that is green tea. Green tea is really a good ingredient for curing crack. Okay, but in this one, like I do not get any fragrance of green tea over the very strong fragrance of jasmine. Maybe green tea is there, but the fragrance is not there. Then the next ingredient, that it do have shea butter with it, that is written over here, which is really a good ingredient for moisturizing part. Like shea butter is really a good moisturizing ingredient. Then talking about the other ingredients, this product do have many oils in it. Like I have already read out all the ingredients, and you have seen that many oils are over here, many extracts, many oils, which is a great part. This is a very light cream with an oil base. Like there are many oils in it, as I have told you earlier only, but this is a non-greasy cream. Like there are many oils, but this is not at all greasy. This cream is of medium texture and with small granules in it. At the night time when I use this cream, the granules of this cream do act as a great relaxing, like they do, while rubbing the cream on my foot, they do act as a good ingredient for relaxation, a relaxing feet, which is really a nice part. After using this cream, you will feel a texture of oil in your feet, and also even after applying this on your hands or on your palm, you will feel a oil kind of thing, but that is not at all a greasy one. So overall, talking about this cream, this is basically a foot care cream, but this is not a good foot crack, like a crack cure cream. So if you want a foot nice, sweet, nice, budget friendly foot care cream, which is like with, if you want jasmine in it, then also even for summers, if you want a foot care cream, then you can surely go for this. But if you want a crack cure cream, then I would say that there are many other options available in market, so you can surely look for them. But this is a really good, nice, budget friendly, even for summers, a good foot care cream, but not a foot crack cure cream. Okay, so that's all about my review of this product. This is what I felt after using. Like, I have finished almost 70% of the tub. So after finishing 70% of the tub, I felt this only, that this is a overall good cream, but not for cracks. So yeah, that's all. If you like this video and if you find my review helpful, then do hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet. And yeah, meet you in my next video. Ta-da!